Hi guys, today we are doing a mega double unboxing of 2 fidget spinners, and yeah, so I haven't seen them yet. So guys, yeah, this is a normal fidget spinner. Yep, pretty nice, you know. You have these, so I haven't seen these yet, so here's one. Yes, I don't know what they are. I know I just ordered them. And here's 2. I can't see it. I haven't seen it yet. I've just turned it upside down. Okay, so which one should we open first? Let's open the one in the... Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Wow. Let's open this. Oh, look at this. It's like a mad throwing star or whatever. That spins quick as well. No. One-handed. Okay. This is nice. Like, look at this. This is like mad.
Very nice.
Here is the other one. Yeah. It says M&T Tech. A weird logo. But let's open this. 3. I'm not looking. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Ooh. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. That's incredible. Wow. Look at this. Apparently you can take these off. Oh. Okay, let's get that back. Okay, it's back. So, yeah, you can take them off. So, let's turn it into a tri-fidget spinner. Then let's take this one off. Then take this one off. Look, it's a tri-spinner. That is mad. Look at that. Tri-spinner. Okay, so it's very nice. I really like this one. So I just searched this one up online, and apparently it glows in the dark. So let's check. Going under here. Ow, my head. I'm in here. Let me just get this. Okay, let's spin it. Oh my god, it does. It does glow in the dark. It glows. That's amazing. Like, what? It actually glows as well. You probably can't see it, but it does actually glow. It does. That is amazing. I'm out. So that was the end of today's video. No, these are amazing. Yes, so hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. If you didn't, leave a like anyway. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, so see you next time. Bye. Bye.